Hi there. Have recently purchased this Eureka Forbes Trendy Zip dry vacuum cleaner. This has a 1000-watt motor inside it. Just want to show you how this vacuum cleaner is. First of all, this is very lightweight and very portable. And one advantage of this is this retractable cable. You can easily pull this cable out, and once you press this retractor, it will automatically retract the cable inside. And this is the blower on off button, and this can be operated with your legs as well. Currently I just want to clean my sofa, so let me connect this main hose. I'm having this fabric cleaner connected right now. Here is our sofa. Food particles got spilled over it. Let us see how efficient this is in cleaning it. You can actually see the difference between the cleaned part of the sofa and the one which is still dusty. We'll try cleaning this pillow. Initially, yeah, I'll smell it. Frankly, this is smelling dusty. Really, this smells fresh right now. There is this multi-purpose nozzle attached to the back side of this vacuum cleaning machine. You can either connect it and use it to suck through the corners, and if the corners are not so reachable, you can either open it, retract it, and this brush will also be helpful in sucking through the corners which are not so reachable by this multi-purpose brush. You can see this dusty keyboard. That's a lot of dust. We'll see what this vacuum cleaner can do with this multi-purpose hose. What I'll do is I'll open up this hose and I'm adjusting the pressure. You can clearly see how clean the keyboard is right now. And when you're using other hoses and one hose is on spare, you can always hang it here so that you can keep carrying it along with you until you're done with that hose, and you can quickly replace it and keep it back. Let's look at the dust bag right now. That's a lot of dust. And when you're fixing it back, when you're fixing this dust bag back into the machine, there is a rubber gasket here. Just make sure that this gasket is again lined up properly, or else your dust will be everywhere inside the compartment. And there is this tray to fix back, and there is this arrow mark down. Fix it into this slot and then line this up, and it locks. And yeah, after this successful cleaning, let's wind it up. It's that fast.